Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So today actually I got like a Samsung Galaxy A03 which I forgot the password, and I'm going to hard reset this phone. So how you can do it, I'm gonna tell you that. And before I continue my video, I would like to request you guys, so please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to ring the bell, press the bell icon, so you would know that whenever I'm going to post a new video. So let's do it. So hard reset this, as you can see, this one phone has a password on it. So to reset this password, all you need to do is hold down volume down and power button until the screen goes black, then release the volume down button and start press and hold the volume up button. So as you can see, I'm holding down the volume down button and the power button. So as soon the screen will turn off, I will release the volume down button and press the volume up and hold it until you will see the Android logo on your screen. Here you go. So now what you need to do is you can use the volume up and down button to move these options, and power button to select the option. So now I bring it down to the wipe data slash factory data reset. I'm going to press the power button to select this option like this. As you can see, it's asking cancel or factory data reset. I'm going to press this button, doing the factory data reset. Press this button is formatting and wiping the data. You can see that data wipe complete right down there. So now all I need to do is press the reboot system now. It will reboot and it will come back on. Like welcome and setting up a new phone screen. After that, you can set up your phone and you should be good to go. It might will ask you about your Gmail account, and you have to enter your Gmail account password and username, and you will be good to go. And so that's how you can hard reset your Samsung phones. Most of the A series phones, you can do the same as I did with this one, and you will be all set. So that's it for the day. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and yep, have a good one.